Yo, hello. So today I'm going to show you tags and Smartlist. Okay, tag TAGR. Okay, so what is tags? Okay, for example, the purpose of tagging is to group them together. So at the end of the day, when you want to do filtering, okay, you can filter out all these people. So for example, just now I mentioned landed and D19. Okay, if you want to find people who live in D19 staying in landed, you can do so. So that's the purpose of the tagging. Okay, next, to add existing tag, okay, you can click on the blank space here. Okay, select the drop down. Else, if it is not existed, you can always add a new tag. Okay, for example, okay, it's a condo. And you can click this button, add condo. Okay, and you are now successfully added the condo tag into your system. Okay, and then you can reuse this tag every time. Okay, once done, click apply, and then you will be safe. So the next thing is the filtering. Okay, let's say I want to find people who live in condo. Okay, click apply. Remember just now I added the condo tag to this particular list, and now it's showing up. Okay, so more or less that is for tagging. Okay, next I'm going to show you what is this Smartlist. Okay, if you want to use as a list, okay, select this. For example, filter by tag ID, just an example. Okay, you want to save all this as buyer. Okay, these are buyer. Okay, save. You have now created a new Smartlist. Okay, and these are the people who are buyer. Okay. Next, how to make it smart. What does smart means? Okay, so for example, to make it smart, right? Okay, you need to have a last activity, last WhatsApp fields. Okay, for example, I know that people who I need to contact weekly. Okay. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, as long as those who have not been contacted, okay, and then they will appear here. So end day, your list should be 0. So if any leads that appear here, means that you have not touched them for that week. Okay, so this is how Smartlist works, and that is all. Thank you.